Cook. If you reclaimed 10 hours this week, what would you build? I'll show you. 5 micro automations you can launch in one afternoon with Zapier, Make, and GPT that remove boring work from your life. No coding required. Value. We'll set up triggers for lead capture, content repurposing, spreadsheet updates, invoice reminders, and meeting summaries. Each automation comes with a clear input, a validation step, a formatting rule, and a human review moment so quality never drops. You'll see how to structure prompts for deterministic outputs, how to store reusable system messages, and how to log every action in a single ops journal. Sheet. We'll cover cost control, error handling, and rollback so your automations are safe and cheap. Call to action. Comment, automate, to get the copy-paste recipes in Ops Journal. Template.